Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace lower ball joint Chrysler 300. Jack the car securely, remove the wheel, and expose the lower control arm to access the ball joint. Keep parts organized and note bolt positions for reassembly. Always support the suspension with a jack stand before removing fasteners. If rusted bolts resist, apply penetrating oil and let it soak before attempting removal to reduce breakage. Start by loosening lug nuts, lifting the car, and placing it on stands for safety. Remove the wheel, then disconnect sway bar links and brake line brackets to free suspension movement. Remove any cotter pins and castle nuts from the ball joint stud. Use a ball joint press or tie rod separator to push the joint free without damaging control arm threads. Keep hardware labeled for correct reinstallation order. Position the new lower ball joint into the control arm and press it evenly to avoid misalignment. Torque the retaining nut to the specified value and insert a new cotter pin when required for safety. Reattach sway bar links, brake brackets, and the wheel, then lower the vehicle and torque lug nuts properly. After installation, test drive slowly to ensure there are no clunks and that steering feels normal before normal driving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.